Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In assignment 1, we selected Ikea as our case study company. Today we will further analyze its supply chain management practices. First, I would like to briefly introduce the company and its global position. Ikea was founded in 1943 by Ingvar Kamprad in Hamburg, Sweden. It started as a small mail order business selling everyday items before gradually expanding into the home furnishing industry. Today, Ikea has become one of the world's leading furniture retailers, guided by its vision of to create a better everyday life for the many people. Ikea operates in the home furnishing retail and manufacturing industry and is best known for its affordable flat pack furniture. Besides furniture, the company offers around 9,500 products, including home accessories, kitchenware, and food products. Its products are developed based on the democratic design concept, which combines attractive design, functionality, quality, sustainability, and affordable prices. The company mainly targets middle-class families and young consumers who are looking for stylish, practical, and budget-friendly home furnishing solutions. By focusing on value and accessibility, IKEA has built a strong reputation among customers around the world. In terms of global operations, IKEA currently serves customers in 63 markets and has more than 800 retail sales locations, including large stores, smaller stores, and customer pickup points. In the 2025 financial year, the company generated approximately 26.3 billion euro in revenue and employed around 216,000 co-workers worldwide, making it one of the largest players in the global home furnishing industry. With operations spanning 63 markets and generating billions of euros in annual revenue, IKEA's success is strongly supported by its efficient supply chain management. Its ability to coordinate sourcing, production, inventory, and distribution on a global scale help keeps costs low while delivering products efficiently to customers. As a result, IKEA has strengthened its position as a global leader in affordable and sustainable home furnishings.
First, in the supply selection process, IKEA sources material globally to find suppliers that can provide both competitive prices and high-quality products. However, supply selection is not based on cost alone. IKEA also evaluates quality, product capacity, and sustainability performance. This shows that IKEA wants suppliers who can consistently support its long-term business objective. For this reason, IKEA prefers long-term partnership rather than short-term contract, as they provide greater stability and reliability throughout the supply chain. Next is vendor relationship and IWA. IWA is IKEA supplier code of conduct and has been mandatory for all suppliers since 2000. It sets standards for environmental protection, fair labor practices, and safe working conditions. Through regular audit and continuous improvement program, IKEA ensures that suppliers comply with this requirement. Rather than focusing only on enforcement, IKEA adopts a collaborative approach by working together with suppliers to build a more responsible and sustainable sourcing network. Moving to e-procurement and strategy, IKEA uses digital procurement platform to improve efficiency and coordination across its global operation. This system helps manage supplier information, purchasing activity, and procurement process more effectively. IKEA procurement strategy is also supported by bulk purchasing, which allow the company to achieve economy of scale and reduce costs. At the same time, IKEA focus on using sustainable and recycled material to reduce environmental impact. The company also practices vertical integration in design and some production activity, giving it greater control over quality, cost, and sustainability performance. Overall, the goal of IKEA procurement strategy is to balance low cost with high responsibility. These practices are directly linked to three pillars of sustainable supply chain management. Environmentally, IKEA promotes responsible material sourcing. Socially, it ensures ethical labor practices through the highway standard. Economically, it improves cost efficiency while maintaining long-term supplier relationship. Together, these efforts strengthen IKEA brand reputation and enhance its competitiveness in the global market.
Now, I will explain IKEA's logistic management, focusing on transportation methods and distribution channels. First, IKEA uses several transportation methods, including sea freight, road transportation, and rail transportation. Sea freight is the primary transportation method because it is cost-effective and suitable for transporting large volumes of furniture internationally. Road transportation is used to deliver products from distribution centers to IKEA stores and directly to customers. In some regions, IKEA also utilizes rail transportation as a more sustainable option that helps reduce carbon emissions. Next are IKEA distribution channels. The distribution process begins with supplier providing raw materials and products to manufacturing facilities. The products are then transferred to distribution centers where they are stored and managed before being delivered to IKEA stores and customers. This distribution network allows IKEA to maintain product availability, reduce transportation delays, and support its low-cost business strategy. Besides transportation and distribution, warehouse management plays an important role in IKEA logistic operation. IKEA operates regional distribution centers equipped with the warehouse management systems or WMS, which help track inventory and manage the product movement efficiently. The company is also well known for its flat pack furniture design, which allows products to be stored more compactly, reducing warehouse space requirements and lowering storage costs. In terms of delivery system, IKEA offers several options to improve customer convenience. These include home delivery services, click and collect services, and partnership with third-party logistic providers. These delivery options provide greater flexibility for customers while helping IKEA improve delivery efficiency and service quality. In conclusion, IKEA's logistic management combines efficient transportation methods, effective distribution channels, advanced warehouse management, and flexible delivery systems. These practices help reduce operational costs, improve supply chain efficiency, and strengthen IKEA's competitive advantage in the global furniture industry.
In this session, I will explain IKEA supply chain strategies and how they contribute to efficiency and competitiveness. IKEA integrates multiple strategies, which is lean supply chain, just-in-time, agile supply chain, sustainable supply chain, and digital supply chain. These work together to deliver affordable and high-quality products while being environmentally and socially responsible. First, IKEA applies lean supply chain and just-in-time principles. Their iconic flat pack design significantly reduces transportation volume and waste. Production and delivery are closely aligned with actual customer demand, which lowers inventory holding costs and supports their low price strategy. Next is the agile supply chain. Through strong supply partnerships and modular product designs, IKEA can quickly adapt to market fluctuations and supply disruptions, maintaining reliable product availability. The most important strategy for IKEA is the sustainable supply chain. As detailed in Chapter 7, Sustainable Supply Chain Management balances three pillars: environmental, social, and economic sustainability. First is environmental sustainability. IKEA focuses on green transportation, waste reduction, circular economy practices, and renewable materials. Second is social sustainability. Through the Highway Supplier Code of Conduct, they enforce fair labor practices, ethical sourcing, no child labor, and community engagement. And the third is economic sustainability. They optimize costs, manage risks, and build long-term resilience through supplier collaboration and innovation. IKEA also leverages digital supply chain tools. AI for demand forecasting, robotic in-warehouse, and real-time visibility system, which further improve accuracy and efficiency. According to Chapter 7, these practices bring major benefits such as environmental conservation, cost savings, enhanced corporate reputation, risk mitigation, and long-term business resilience and innovations. Overall, these strategies greatly improve operational efficiency by reducing waste, lowering costs, and optimizing resources. They enhance competitiveness by building a strong, ethical brand that appeals to today's conscious consumers while ensuring long-term viability, in a challenging global market. In summary, IKEA's balanced approach to supply chain strategies, especially its strong emphasis on sustainability as outlined in Chapter 7, is a key reason for their continued market leadership.
Inventory management at IKEA. Inventory management is a critical part of IKEA's operation because the company manages more than 9,500 products globally. IKEA maintains three main types of inventory: raw materials such as wood, fabric, metals, and recycled materials were in process inventory, which includes furniture components during production, and finished goods, which are complete flat pack products ready for customer purchase. To control inventory efficiently, IKEA uses just-in-time replenishment to reduce excess stock, flat pack design to save storage and transportation space, and minimum or maximum replenishment system to maintain optimal inventory levels. IKEA also focus on high demand products through high low and low flow classification, where a small proportion of product generates most sales volume. Moving to the inventory technology management. IKEA supports inventory accuracy through technology. ERP system provide real-time visibility of inventory across stores, warehouse, and suppliers. Automation and robotics such as AGVs, MIR robots, and highway cranes help move and store product efficiently while reducing manual handling. AI and drones are used for demand forecasting and inventory checking, while barcode and RFID system improve stock tracking accuracy. This technology are coordinated through a warehouse management system, allowing many IKEA stores to operate fulfillment counters for customer orders. And lastly, inventory management and sustainable inventory supply chain. Most importantly, IKEA's inventory management support the sustainable supply chain management concept in Chapter 7. Environmentally, just-in-time and flat-pack design reduce waste, packaging materials, and transportation emissions. Economically, efficient inventory control lowers holding costs, improve operational efficiency, and support profitability. Socially, IKEA promotes responsible sourcing through its I-Waste standards, requiring suppliers to follow ethical and sustainable practice. As a result, IKEA can reduce costs, maintain product availability, respond faster to customer demand, and strengthen its competitive advantage. Overall, IKEA demonstrates how inventory management can support environmental, economic, and social sustainability while improving long-term business performance. So IKEA's inventory management is not only about maintaining stock availability, but also about improving efficiency, reducing costs, and supporting sustainable supply chain management, which ultimately strengthen its competitive advantage.
Next, I will be presenting the decision-making models used in IKEA supply chain management. Firstly, IKEA uses a centralized and data-driven approach to make supply chain decisions. For supplier selection, IKEA follows the I-Waste Supplier Code of Conduct to ensure suppliers meet environmental and social responsibility standards. Suppliers that fail to comply may have their contracts terminated. IKEA also makes strategic sourcing decisions, such as purchasing forest land in Latvia to ensure sustainable raw material supplies. For transportation decisions, IKEA focuses on reducing costs and carbon emissions. The company uses ERP system to optimize transport routes and maximize vehicle utilization. IKEA also prioritizes electric vehicles for last mile deliveries and supports low carbon shipping initiative through the Zamba Alliance. Next, inventory optimization is supported by IKEA's flat pack furniture concept. This design reduces storage and transportation space, making operations more efficient. IKEA also combines minimum-maximum inventory system with just-in-time practices to maintain appropriate stock levels. In terms of demand forecasting, IKEA uses AI and predictive analytics to analyze sales data and customer demand. This helps the company improve production planning and reduce the bullwhip effect throughout the supply chain. In conclusion, IKEA's success demonstrates how an efficient supply chain can be both cost-effective and sustainable. Through innovative product design, digital technology, and responsible sourcing, IKEA has built a highly competitive global supply chain. One important lesson is that sustainability and profitability can work together. IKEA's use of recyclable materials and circular economy practices helps reduce costs while supporting environmental goals. In addition, the I-Way framework shows the importance of enforcing ethical standards throughout the supply chain. As recommendations, IKEA should continue expanding automation technologies,
strengthen its circular economy programs, and improve transparency in supplier performance reporting. Overall, IKEA is an excellent example of how sustainable supply chain management can create long-term business success.